Guys, hope it's been good and thanks for watching this video. So today guys, I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails. I thought this video would be really good for y'all that don't know how to make thumbnails, because nobody's perfect and nobody knows everything except God. But yeah, so let's just get on with the video. So the apps that you will be needing is Phonto and Picsart. So firstly, press on Phonto and press this little camera right here. Press plain images. Press this white thing, this white image right here, and press right up here. Press custom and type in 1280 times 720. And that's the thumbnail image, or the thumbnail size. So then press use, and then here you go. So, and then press these little lines right here, or 3 lines, and press add image. And then add the image you want for the background of your thumbnail. Okay, if you want to see like if it fits perfectly, press alpha right here. Kind of make it see-through so you can kind of see what you're doing. Make that smaller. So kind of make it a little bigger, and there. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So yeah, then make the alpha all the way to 100. You know what? I'm gonna make the size a little bit bigger, and you can press move if you want. So yeah. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then you want to press the share button and scroll down until you see save image. Okay guys, so it's successfully saved. Okay, so then you want to press the camera down here and press reset. It's the red button at the bottom. Then you want to press photo albums and then add the picture that we just saved. Here it is. And so what you want to do is, hey, what is this? I've never seen this before. If you know what this is, guys, comment down below, because I've never seen it before. It's really kind of neat. Okay, so what you want to do is, like, if you want to add a phone to it, like how I make my thumbnails on mobile, you could do that, I guess, because I'm just gonna do that because I think it might be a little bit useful. So press the 3 lines right here and press add image, and then add the certain phone you want to use. Like you could get it from Safari, Google, or Pinterest or something like that, and save it to your photos or screenshot it. And so yeah, so press add image and add the phone here. So here's the phone that I have. I actually don't know where I'm gonna put it. I might put it right here. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, and I want to kind of tilt it. Yeah, I like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, make it a little bigger. And then if you want to add text, guys, press anywhere and press in. See, just like press anywhere you want, and then add text, because you can add fonts and symbols and a lot of stuff. I'm gonna make how to. I might do that. Let's do lobster. Like how teeth. How teeth. Okay. How to, and I would press style and make it black. Okay, I don't want that. Okay, let me make it another color so like it's visible. What color should I use? Okay, there, I'm gonna do purple, like a dark purple. It's a little big. Okay, this is what my thumbnail turned out to be. So yeah, and then press the share button again and scroll down until you see save image. Okay guys, so I just saved my image and exit out of the Phonto app and go to Picsart. Okay, what you want to do is press the purple plus button and press all photos or something and press the thumbnail that you just saved. So here it is, and because Picsart has a lot of good stickers and stuff, I want to see what they have. I like these butterflies. Okay. No, not good. Okay guys, so I just finished the photo and I added this little spark thing on the iPhone and like this little wall thing between the title and the picture. So if you want to save it, you press next right here at the very top, and then you press photos and it will save to your photos. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And yeah guys, please comment down below some more video ideas, and I hope this really helped you all. Peace guys, and see you in the next one. Bye guys!